How to blur number plate of a car in CapCut. Hello everybody. In today's video we are going to teach you how to. So let's just start without any delay. So for that you may open up your CapCut application first and you should be finding your card video being placed like this, or you may go ahead and import the video. Once the video is imported, in order to blur out, the first thing you can do is basically go ahead and overlay, or before that tap on effects and select video effects, and then type in blur, and then go ahead and select the blur that you would like. I chose this one right here. Go ahead and place it and click on right, and you're gonna make it blur till the end of the video by making it like this. Once that is done, you may hit back and select overlay and tap on add overlay and select the same video that we just imported and tap on add and make it to the similar ratio like this. Once it is done, you need to select up the second video. After that, you need to go ahead and look out for the option called mask. Tap on it. And then after selecting a mask, select up a icon. For example, I would like to select rectangle. Tap on it. And you may select invert from the bottom left corner. After that, you may just go ahead and place it right above your car number plate like this. You may adjust it like this and place it like this and click on right. So this is one of the method you can apply up. If the video is moving, for example, if we move it up to here, you can use this icon, this diamond icon right here. You can place it like this, and then you may select up like this and play the video and basically add up the diamond icon right here and move this blur right here. And when you go ahead and do that, you should be finding the blur being moved. So when you play the video, it will basically blur out the number plate of your car video till the end. So that's it for now. You may follow this method in order to blur your car's template in CapCut. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.